Hey guys, welcome back to my video series on solving LeetCode problems. This problem right now is going to be first unique character in the string. Given the string S, find the first non-repeating character in it and return its index. If it does not exist, return -1. So LeetCode. L is the first non-repeating character because L never repeats. T never repeats, but it comes after L. Same thing here. Okay. So I think what we can do is we can go and create a tracking, which is a dictionary of string and integer, just to track the indexes. And we can iterate for, because we need to iterate, for char in S, we go and say if char not in s.keys. So if we haven't found it, we're going to insert a tracking of char equals, and we also need the index, so char index in enumerate. If you guys don't know what enumerate does, it just returns the index and the value of the iteration. So, which is helpful for this. Else, we delete tracking of char. Can do this. And then we return the minimum value of tracking dot values. See if this works. String has no attribute keys. Oh, sorry. Tracking. Min arguments the empty sequence. If not tracking, so return -1. So if all the characters are repeated, this function will fail because it does not accept an empty array or an empty iterator. So we need to return -1. Wrong answer, expected -1. AAT. Oh, right, I messed up. Why did I mess up? Because I'm removing from tracking. Okay, yeah, what I can do, because I'm removing it, but if it shows up again, it gets inserted again. Okay, this was a silly mistake. So, let's say unique values equals set of S. Unique chars. So, no, actually, let's do something different. Deleted chars. And not in deleted chars. And then deleted chars dot add char. And char, not in deleted chars. Key error E. Okay, if the char is not in here and char not in deleted, we add it. else we deleted if char in not in deleted chars. We're checking this twice. It could be optimized just to check once. Yeah, the runtime is like this, the memory it's like this. So actually memory-wise it did very good, even though we have the set and the tracking. Let me see another way that we could do this. Well, char not in deleted chars. Maybe we can just move this outside. If char not in deleted chars. And then we do everything. Because we just ignore if chars and deleted chars. Okay, then now we did a lot better. I'm happy with the results. So guys, thanks for watching.